See? An unboxing of FIFA 2013 with boobies, you know. Babe, if I go like this, I can see Cleveland circle.
Cleveland circle. Right?
Yes, cleavage circle. You have a pretty face. Let me kiss. This is supposed to be unboxing of FIFA. Can I see the cover?
Yeah, can I get the plastic off first?
Yes, that's what she said. Then she got pregnant, yeah. Like that from the top. Oh, that's a point of view. Don't they have porn like this? POV. Yeah, take the plastic off. So then put it in. Oh yeah. I like when you unwrap it. Now open it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Open it for daddy. Yes.
We're so fucking
Oh, spin it. Oh yes, spin it. Oh, perverted unboxing. Pull it out.
Pull it
out for me. Yeah, pull it out for me. Oh yeah.
I'm really bad at this.
Yeah, it's alright. You gain experience. Yeah, turn. Oh yeah, from the back, just like that, babe. Oh, that was the greatest unboxing ever.
Oh my god. Are you putting it on YouTube?
Yes.
Good.
You're such a naughty box opener. Good job. Good job. I need a cigarette.